When we talk about OT/IT, it's very difficult not to talk about on-premise, to talk about cloud technologies and how those two solutions are going to integrate together. So from a legacy perspective, OT solutions have been traditionally on-premise. That's a requirement in terms of performance, in terms of safety, in terms of cost. Now, as we move forward into a cloud environment, we need to work with cloud service providers that can give us scale, but can also provide significant tools in terms of driving analytic value at an enterprise level. Unfortunately, it's not as simple as on-premise or cloud. There's a multitude of hybrid environments that we need to be able to deploy. It's complex and nuanced, and it's difficult sometimes for clients. So we can help them drive the business cases, the use cases in particular areas, to say whether this needs to be on-prem, whether it needs to be in the cloud, whether it needs to be on a private cloud, which is basically a client's IT infrastructure, whether it needs to be on a private network, which again is a client's private IT infrastructure, or whether there's some kind of hybrid model where some solutions sit on-prem, some sit on private networks, some sit on private clouds, some sit on public clouds. From an on-premise and cloud perspective, one of the key barriers to development over the last couple of years has been cybersecurity. The ability to secure an on-premise environment has always been in our wheelhouse and has been a strength of ours. The ability to secure a pure cloud environment, again, is relatively straightforward. When you've got a hybrid environment, that's when it starts to get complicated. It's taken a couple of years for the cloud service providers to be able to develop the tools and the infrastructure to secure those hybrid environments. So it's about having security across multiple different areas. Schneider Electric have chosen Microsoft Azure as the cloud infrastructure partner of choice. Now, that's a strategic investment on our part and a strategic investment on their part, both in terms of resources, infrastructure, and capability to develop our cloud service infrastructure. Our clients may use many different cloud providers, and that will require us to either operate in their cloud environment or develop cloud-to-cloud services.